What is going on, guys? I know when we first introduced the F-150 to the channel, we said the RX-8 was still going to be the main focal build of this channel. It seems like so far we've lied to you, but we got some good news. The RX-8 is back, baby, and today we're putting a mid-pipe on Steven's RX-8. All right, Steven, what kind of mid-pipe did you get for your RX-8?
Corey's over there like, got me all like. All right. All right. Are we starting that over, or are we just gonna leave that in there? Anyway, so I went with a $90 eBay mid-pipe. It's just got a resonator, O2 bung, and then it came with bolts and your 2 gaskets. Pretty cheap kit for relatively whatever. Like a Mega Racing exhaust was going to be like $200 shipped. This was $90 free shipping. So I was like, why not give it a shot? I do run two-stroke premix. So I need to get the catalytic converter out of there before I burn it up. So let's get on with the install.
Alright guys, as you can see, Steven, tell them, it's all stock so far.
As you can tell, it's all stock right now, so this mid-pipe's going to be the first exhaust change I do. I don't really want to do too much because I don't want it too loud, but I definitely want to get rid of the catalytic converter so I don't burn it up, and see what it sounds like after that.
Yeah, now, after the installation, we will have some before and after clips.
Yeah, we do got some before sound clips, but we're all going to play all those at the end of the video with our after, so you can hear them side by side and notice the difference. Well, I guess let's just, when I'm taking this out, it's just going to be this middle section. We got 2 braces here that are going to be in the way. From there to there.
All right.
And then O2 sensor's obviously going to have to come out. If you got a new one, you can put the new one in that exhaust, but I'm just going to reuse the old one. A little hot. Jeez.
Still hot, huh? Can't even tell.
Nope. Obviously, you can't tell. You're not touching.
I don't know, Steven. Don't look too hot to me. What's up, Corey?
What up, brother?
You got that rubber bushing I got to pull off here. And then...
I got a tool for that.
Yep. Brian gonna get your tool.
Boom.
Brian Lewis tool.
That's so fresh. You ever fought with the exhaust clamp, fellas? Right here, all day. Boom.
Not to mention you gotta have the grip of a gorilla to use it.
Yeah, you know.
You alright back there, Corey?
You need a real man. The guy behind the camera needs to be doing the work.
You get him back here, double?
Alright. I think I got her.
We got stove in the house. Steven's out of breath.
I ain't out of breath.
Uh-oh.
Ruh-roh, Raggy.
Oh. Dang.
First broken bolt.
No. I talked to him last night. He said this wasn't going to happen.
Oh, Ryan Hathaway was at home.
You'd have joined the hairbrush club, that would have never happened.
As you can see, I've done this before.
Yeah,
Just break them right off. It came with bolts. We ain't worried about it.
Don't need that. Throw it away.
there we go. Maybe that looks better.
Yeah, there we go.
Fresh.
I got you.
Got it, Joe?
Yep. All right.
It did come with new bolts, so like you said, breaking those old ones off, not a huge deal.
Yeah. And it's actually lining up really good with this
It actually does.
cheap exhaust. I was worried about the
Yeah.
welds and everything lining up like it's supposed to.
Me and Tristan tried to put a X-pipe off of eBay on his Mustang. It did not line up at all.
But this
That
thing
was
is
really
actually
good.
lining up and fitting really well for being a $90 eBay exhaust. So
So
Hell
as
yeah,
far
brother.
as lining up, lines up very well for the price.
heck yeah, brother. Now to lower her down and see what she sounds like.
All right, this is the cold start. All right, this is the rev after it's warmed up. All right, now Steven's gonna give you all a drive-by.
See what she sounds like.
Hit it one more time. All right, Steven, what are your thoughts on the eBay mid-pipe?
I actually like it. The interior sound didn't change a whole lot. It is a little bit louder. Exterior, there's definitely a noticeable difference. It's a lot louder, a lot more raspy. The sound I was going for. Something that I wanted a little bit louder, but not too loud that it was obnoxious. So that was a good buy for 90 bucks.
And it fit really well too, guys. Most cheap exhaust does not fit like that.
No.
So,
All the
anyways,
hardware, gaskets,
yeah.
everything.
So it turned out really good. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get all my notifications. Until next time.